In a short subset of videos, we've been talking about the various things you need to do in order to prepare for a new operating system installation, such as Windows 10, Windows 11, and so on. We've talked about the hardware requirements. You have to check those. Have your applications ready to reinstall. Have any product keys you need. Back up your drivers. How do you get your settings back? And how do you save and restore your data? We want to talk now about this idea of an optional full backup. Now, Windows 10 and Windows 11, and I don't know which ones beyond that are going to have it, but they still have the Windows 7 System Image Creator built into them. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So I'm in the control panel right now, and this is under System and Security. And right down here, you'll see Backup and Restore Windows 7. So this Windows 7 backup system is still here in your computer. Now, one thing you can do under this, if I click Backup Windows 7, I have Create a System Image. What this will do is use several DVDs or another drive to create a replica, a clone of my system. And then I can use that clone of my system to completely reinstall from the Windows troubleshooter. I can completely reinstall my system, including data, the operating system itself, programs, settings, everything, just the way it was. So that is one option you have for backup. Another option is that there are, of course, many third-party packages that you can use as well. I have one on my system called accompanies. I guess that's how you pronounce it, where I can set up backups and perform them. Now, where do you back all this stuff up? Well, you have a few options. Let's take a look at my file system again. Here we are. So I've got the D drive and the E drive, and I can certainly make backups on those. Those are separate physical media. I could send it out to OneDrive, which comes along with my Microsoft account, or I could set it up on another third-party one I have called Ice Drive. However, notice that these are only 10 gigabytes for the Ice Drive, for example. Well, here I've got 2 terabytes already used, and over here I've got 4 terabytes already used. So that's what, 6 terabytes of data? Well, that's certainly not going to fit on these little 5 and 10 gigabyte external cloud storage drives. So one option I have is to set up my own backup. I can back up directly to these 2 drives, D and E drive, or I can back up to this, which is a NAS unit, NAS, which stands for Network Attached Storage. And in this case, it's a separate storage unit that's got 20 terabytes of space on it that I can use as a backup, and I can mount it on my system as though it's its own drive, even though it's just plugged into my Wi-Fi unit.